Utah small businesses are at a turning point. AI isn't something happening out there anymore. It's showing up in your inbox, your documents, and the everyday work your team does to keep your business moving. But here's the reality. Most Utah employees are already using AI in personal accounts with no security and no data protections. And that means your information is leaving your organization without you even realizing it. That's exactly why Microsoft created Microsoft 365 Copilot Business, an affordable, secure AI platform built specifically for companies with fewer than 300 users. And here in Utah, Brivy IT is helping small businesses adopt Copilot with confidence. Copilot works inside Word, Excel, Outlook, Teams, everywhere your team already works. It drafts emails, summarizes meetings, organizes documents, and turns scattered information into clear, professional results. But the real advantage isn't the technology. It's deploying it correctly. At Brivy IT, we help you roll out Copilot safely, create smart AI policies, clean up permissions, and train your team so they get real ROI from day one. This is Utah's moment to innovate, to do more with less, and to lead the next wave of small business transformation. If you're ready to explore what AI can do for your organization, we're ready to guide you. Let's take the first step together.